Shop update. Shop update. So yeah, we got the Blue Mamba in. We're finishing. You keeping up with me? Can you do it? We got the. Ooh. That was funny.
Welcome back to Jessie's Performance. We are taking a little break from doing Duramax C10 videos, which we've done a lot of lately, and we're going to do just a good old-fashioned shop update. We've got a lot of little things going on here. We do in-out projects in addition to the long-term projects that we do. So this week we tried to knock out some of the quicker in-out projects that we've got going. So check it out, and here we go.
We got the Blue Mamba back in. We got the airbag system completely installed. We're doing these custom billet hood hinges that don't seem to be fitting worth a damn. What else did we do, JJ?
Control arms. Did all the control arm stuff. We have all the air lines run. We're just looking for like a last piece, and then we can go ahead and set up the air ride, so that'll be good. And right now we need the truck off the list so we can fix the windows. And then we need to get the security system all hammered out.
No problem, we got that figured out.
I'm so glad y'all have that figured out, because I do not want to.
Covered.
All right, we got the security system covered. All right.
Okay, Blue Mamba.
Blue Mamba. So that's it on Blue Mamba.
Okay,
we're getting that thing wrapped up. Next, we had the Impala drop back off. It had a fuel pump failure.
Impala?
The Impala SS. It had a fuel pump failure. We got that figured out.
It's like, right here.
Yeah.
It's like black.
You're not getting my good side.
There we go.
All right. The fuse box actually had been overheated at one point and it melted and we had a bad connection. We didn't do any of that stuff, so we didn't know to look for that. Customer mentioned it to me. We took a look into it. We got the fans rewired. This thing is running in tip-top shape now. We're gonna give it a little wash job and send it home. Easy peasy. What else we got, Stacie?
I don't know. What'd you do today, Kyle?
Something I do every day, Pinky. Try to take over the world. I don't know about all that. Jesus. What else, Stacie? We got the black Chevelle about wrapped up. We're gonna double check the fuel system in it because I had a little bit of fuel pressure drop off on the dyno. I want to make sure that's 110% before we let it go, but that thing's ready to go. It's gonna make some stink. We'll re-dyno it and make a video and post it before it leaves.
I can insert a little dyno
little pow
preview in there.
Pow clip installed. What else?
Silverado.
Oh, we had
Silverado.
Beauty.
Yeah, I was gonna say, what about the Tanner Brown truck that we did?
I recorded outside.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
So we took this square body in, what do they call it? Leroy Brown is what he calls it. We took it in to do gears in a posi and replace the worn out 4L60. Along the road we found some problems with it. We ended up doing rear disc brakes. We ended up rewiring the fans. We put a big stall converter in it. We did a really big tranny cooler because heat is what killed the last transmission. It used to have like 293 gears in it, now it has 373, so it woke this thing up. Like, it knocks the tires off real easy. Like, the customer's here, or else I would take it out in the street and just give her some, but I don't know how you'd feel about that. So
He'd love it.
yeah, maybe, I don't know. But it's a really cool truck, super clean truck. It's a customer built it. We're just doing some tidying up on some things and the upgrades you can't do in your garage. So yeah, it's really cool. We also got the black Silverado fuel pump assembly installed in the tank. We're about to bring that in and get that installed. The intake manifold's all done. The injectors are all done. The fuel lines, I believe, are all done. Yeah. We got a little bit of wiring, a little bit of hookup at the fuel tank, and then we're going to tune that bish.
And send it home.
Send it home.
Finally.
Yes.
Yes.
We didn't get any footage of it. We were cleaning the shop this morning, but I did get the motor and the transmission and stuff made it together for the Trailblazer. I intended on doing a lot more work than that on it this week, but I had a few little snags with some new converter spacing and stuff that I had to deal with on the flex plate. I got that figured out, so this next week I'll be able to final assemble that together and get it in the chassis, get the chassis back off the Blazer and get that all mated together so we can get that thing going, because that thing is something to be looking for. That thing is going to be so cool. I got a crazy idea for turbos and intake manifold, and
that'll be a fun project.
That'll be a fun project. The owner, he said, whatever you want to do, essentially, let's get it done. And so my creative wheels are turning, and that's always a good thing.
Those are the most fun projects to do.
Yep. We got some more parts bought for the Trans Marrow. I took the hood off my Trans Am this week. Literally lifted it off and put it on the roof. So I got that going. We have a 2012 Camaro outside that came in with a bad motor. Well, it actually came in for a tune, and then we thought it had lifter failure, but then it had oil pressure fluctuation. So we decided to take the motor out to check the lifters and check the bearings at the same time. Turned out the bearings were completely shot. Here we got Trell's frame. It's candy gold over super chrome on the powder coat to match the wheels. Trell's car, Trell has a special place in the heart. No,
You're gonna make his day.
Yeah, I know, right? No, no. Honestly, though, Trell's a good guy. Trell's a really good guy. He's brought us some customers. He's been patient. We got big plans for Trell's car. I mean, this looks like something, but this ain't nothing compared to what's coming. That thing is going to be insane. We were doing some talking yesterday, and yeah.
I think next year he can hit SEMA with his car. I've seen the Holley pictures, and there's some whack big cars
we're
up
gonna
there.
be the donk doctors. Just you wait. You're gonna bring in your donk. We're gonna fix it. Right.
So double D's. The donk doctors.
Oh boy.
That's what I'm talking about, bro. The double D's.
Well, anyways, I don't know. We got the Caprice frame already. We already done.
Yeah,
all that,
we already
right?
done a whole
Okay.
deal on that.
Well, that's it then. That's really all we got. We got some other stuff in the works. Nothing worth really showing on video. We just a lot of behind the scenes stuff.
We could spend hours walking around here talking about all the cars here.
Well, obviously, I mean, we do it every day, right? So, we're going to get to work now. Kyle, get to work.
All right, y'all, that's it for this week. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, comment. Make sure that you're sharing our videos. We would really appreciate it. Make sure you're tuning in every Sunday at 8:30 so that you can catch our latest. And thanks for watching.